In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can change the text direction in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. First is you just need to open your Microsoft Word, and I have prepared this table for you with how that has a text in it. So in order to change the text direction of the text, all you have to do is to select that cell as to where the word is being located, and then once done, make a right click, and here you'll find the text direction option. Click on that, and it's up to you. You could have this and have this. Okay, now let's try again. So you have here like that and like that. So let's go with this and click on OK. And as you can see, you can also adjust this one to make it readable. Also for this one, you can also just simply use this arrow. You will notice this one, this arrow, to select the cell. And then make a right click and select text direction. And this time, let's go with this and click on OK. And that's it. That's how you can easily change the text direction in Microsoft Word. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.